the ultimate 4K powerhouse, ZOTAC MEK Gaming PC review. Introduction. If you have been waiting for the endgame of pre-built gaming PCs, the wait is officially over. Today, we are looking at the ZOTAC MEK Gaming PC, a machine that doesn't just push the boundaries of performance, it completely resets them. This is an all-white, liquid-cooled beast designed for those who want the absolute best hardware available on the market today. It comes fully assembled, tested, and ready to dominate right out of the box. The GPU, RTX 5090 Blackwell architecture. The star of the show is undoubtedly the ZOTAC Gaming GeForce RTX 5090 White Edition. This is built on the revolutionary NVIDIA Blackwell architecture and features a massive 32 GB of GDDR7 memory. We aren't just talking about 4K gaming anymore. We are talking about high refresh rate 4K with every setting maxed out. With DLSS 4 multi-frame generation and enhanced real-time ray tracing, the visual fidelity is staggering. Whether you are exploring dense open worlds or competing in high-stakes shooters, this GPU delivers AI-driven visuals and next-gen frame rates that were previously unthinkable. The processor, AMD Ryzen 7 9800X3D. To match that graphical power, ZOTAC has equipped this rig with the AMD Ryzen 7 9800X3D. This is the king of gaming CPUs, utilizing AMD's 3D V-cache technology to provide 96 megabytes of L3 cache. With 8 cores, 16 threads, and boost speeds up to 2 GHz, it eliminates any possibility of a CPU bottleneck. It's not just for gaming, either. The multi-threaded performance makes it a dream for professional content creation, 4K video editing, and heavy multitasking. Memory, storage, and power. Under the hood, the MEK is rounded out with premium components. You get 32 GB of DDR5 RGB RAM clocked at a blistering 6,000 MHz, ensuring your system stays snappy even under heavy loads. For storage, there is a 2 TB NVMe M.2 SSD, which means near-instant boot times and lightning-fast game loading. Powering all of this is a 1200 W80 plus gold certified power supply, providing plenty of clean, efficient headroom for the RTX 5090's power demands. Design and cooling. Visually, this PC is a masterpiece. The all-white chassis features 3 tempered glass panels that give you a panoramic view of the clean, professionally managed interior. Cooling is handled by a 360mm AO liquid cooler and a total of 8 120mm ARGB PWM fans, ensuring that even during the most intense gaming sessions, your temperatures stay low and your clock speeds stay high. It also features easy clean screwless filters, making maintenance a breeze. Connectivity and warranty. In terms of I/O, you're fully covered. It features HDMI 2.1b, 3 DisplayPort 2.1b outputs for up to 4 displays, 5 gigabit LAN for lag-free wired gaming, and the latest Wi-Fi 6E and Bluetooth 5.3. The system comes with Windows 11 Pro pre-installed and is backed by a 1-year complete system warranty, plus a 3-year warranty on the GPU itself, no registration required. Conclusion. The ZOTAC MEK is more than just a gaming PC, it's a statement piece for your setup. It combines the world's most powerful consumer GPU with the world's fastest gaming CPU in a stunning, high airflow design. If you are ready to experience the future of PC gaming without the hassle of building it yourself, this is the machine for you. Check the link in the description to see the latest pricing and availability. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more tech deep dives.